Best workout routine for skinny guys to build muscle and get big. Frequency: perform each workout, day 1, 2, and 3, once per week. Resting at least a day between each session. How to do it: complete all of the sets for one exercise before moving on to the next. After 1 month, you should have added 15-20 pounds to the squat and deadlift and 10-15 to the bench press. You should have also gained 3 or more pounds of body weight. If you haven't, consider adding more calories to your diet. Day 1. Workout 1: deadlift. Exercise equipment: barbell. Sets 4. Reps 5. Rest 2 to 3 minutes. Workout 2: chin-up. Exercise equipment: pull-up bar. Sets 4. Reps 5. Rest 2 to 3 minutes. Go to failure on last set. Workout 3: dumbbell floor press. Exercise equipment: dumbbells. Sets 4. Reps 8. Rest 2 to 3 minutes. Workout 4: forward lunge. Exercise equipment: dumbbells. Sets 3. Reps 8. Rest 2 to 3 minutes. Day 2. Workout 1: Bulgarian split squat. Equipment: dumbbells. Sets 4. Reps 6, each leg. Rest 2 to 3 minutes. Workout 2: bench press. Equipment: barbell. Sets 4. Reps 6. 2 to 3 minutes. Workout 3: dumbbell row. Equipment: dumbbells. Sets 4. Reps 6, each side. Rest 2 to 3 minutes. On the last set, reduce the load by 20% and complete 20 reps. Workout 4: lateral raise. Equipment: dumbbells. Sets 4. Reps 6. Rest 2 to 3 minutes. Day 3. Workout 1: barbell squat. Equipment: barbell. Sets 4. Reps 6. Rest 2 to 3 minutes. Workout 3: leg hip thrust. Equipment: bench. Sets 4. Reps 8. Rest 2 to 3 minutes. Workout 3: push-up. Body weight. Sets and reps, as many as possible. Rest 2 to 3 minutes. How to transform your body, from skinny to muscular. Workout+Diet. Can you build muscle when you're skinny? Training is going to be the thing that stimulates muscle growth, while nutrition only allows the muscle growth to take place once it's been stimulated by training. So of course diet is important, but only if you are training correctly in the first place. If you use the right techniques in your diet to get muscle, you can get around this. It won't necessarily be easy, but it can be done, and you can unveil new lean muscle mass like you've never done before. At Sportywitty, our mission is to encourage people, of all age, men and women, to make physical activity and outdoor sports a part of their daily routine. So stay connected, and subscribe, and press that bell notification icon to stay updated. How long to go from skinny to muscular? There is no shortcut to bodybuilding. Intense workouts, proper nutrition, sufficient sleep and lots of water will help you achieve your goals. It will take half a year to see noticeable results, and probably 2 to 4 years to actually become muscular. But there are 2 steps you must always follow. Caloric surplus: you must eat more calories than you need, but focusing on getting the right amount of protein. That is what builds muscle, carbs and fat. And while calories and macronutrients are important, the ideal gym diet will be one that positively influences health. This is a diet that is rich in vitamins and minerals, where all 3 macronutrients are consumed and nutrient-sparse foods are restricted. 8 rules for proper muscle-building nutrition. Rule number 1: you need to eat at least 6 meals a day. Muscle building means a calorie surplus. Eat at least 6 small meals a day. Try and eat something small every 2 to 3 hours. A regular intake of calories prevents the body from going into breakdown mode. Rule number 2, avoid simple carbohydrates. Avoid simple carbohydrates, often known as bad carbohydrates, for example the sugar in fruit juice and honey. A nutrition plan for muscle building should always focus on the supply of complex carbohydrates. These carbohydrates are processed slowly, keeping blood sugar levels stable and supplying the body with energy long term. Rule number 3, balanced meals with proteins and carbohydrates. It is important to get the right balance of nutrients in your meals. Make sure that each meal consists of high-quality carbohydrates and around 30 grams of protein. Whole grain products, oatmeal and rice are ideal. Get your protein from chicken, beef, fish and eggs. Rule number 4, essential fatty acids are your secret weapon. A healthy diet for muscle building should be supported with essential fatty acids. Too many of the bad fats will lead to a decline in physical and mental performance potential long term. Valuable fatty acids can be found in olive oil, coconut oil, nuts and low-fat fish. Rule number 5, nutritional supplements for muscle building. As part of your recommended diet for muscle building, proteins, carbohydrates and fats, as well as dietary supplements play an important role. An additional intake of dietary supplements can optimize muscle building processes. Rule number 6, pre- and post-workout meal. Your energy reserves need constant replenishment before and after exercise to give you enough energy during your workout and after. Pre-workout meal. A pre-workout meal should consist of complex carbohydrates and protein. A combination of 300 grams of quark with 100 grams of berries about 1 hour before your workout is ideal. This equates to about 250 kilocalories, 2 grams fat, 21 grams carbohydrates and 37 grams protein. A quick alternative is a protein shake with whey protein and a banana. Post-workout meal. After your workout, your energy stores need quick and effective replenishment to prevent nutrient deficiencies and loss of muscle mass. Your body needs a sufficient supply of protein and fast carbohydrates within 30 minutes of completing a workout. Post-workout meals, like a homemade shake made of quark, bananas and milk, offer a quick supply of energy. A protein shake, with fruit juice, and a banana is a suitable alternative. Another meal 60 to 90 minutes after exercising is a good idea if you are on a protein-rich muscle-building diet. This meal should consist of high-quality protein sources like low-fat fish, meat or egg whites, as well as complex carbohydrates from whole wheat pasta, potatoes or oatmeal, etc. Rule number 7, don't forget to stay hydrated. The ability for your muscles to regenerate effectively is promoted by a sufficient intake of fluids. Regardless of your goals, whether you're trying to build muscles or define them, water is the nutrient for your body. Drink 2 to 3 liters a day. We recommend 1 liter more on workout days to compensate for the fluid lost during exercise. Rule number 8, say goodbye to hunger pangs. A well-planned muscle-building diet usually includes the required amount of daily calories. Without a calorie surplus, your muscles cannot grow consistently. Avoid hunger pangs. Eat a meal as soon as you get hungry. Tip: a protein shake before bed promotes the regeneration and growth of your muscles. Things that matters. Sleep for 7 to 8 hours. Dedication: do not skip workouts. What works best for you? Do let us know your comment below, and if you like the content of this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.